what's the occasion? I've never been so bored in my life. I am so bored because of the other app. I really wish people can cancel that app because drain emotionally. See, TikTok will drain. TikTok is draining. Like, whoever's running that app doesn't think properly. Whoever is running TikTok, because he's fucking up such a beautiful app. Like, whoever's running that app needs to do better. Like, and most people like TikTok, and I feel like TikTok is gonna lose my customers because of what they're doing. That app, no, that's not the one. Angisho le iubest na inenkinga zayo mara no, it's training. Guys, you're not grooving. It sounds like you. Because phela kuhlezi kuyithi abahleli ngale khathi nginandriver. Ufuna ukwenzani lo mthengo? Thina sihleli namafoni sibhorekile endlini. But it seems like it's a vibe. Vibe, or you guys are busy with something. We don't know. We'll never know. Or in some time, Landa Machicha. Ding Tang. Guys, as you see, I was so ready for Jima today live, and then I went to that stupid app. I went live, and then I started with my whole thing, just like I did yesterday and the previous day. Guess what? Live restricted because you might be underage. Underage kanjani. I might look like I'm underage, but I submitted all my documents on that app. They know good in that. But I still, like, it just doesn't make sense. And I've ever done with the appeal. Like, bro, you got my papers. What's in appealing anything? You tell because you get my papers. You know I'm not under 13. You know that. Appealing to thing. I just got bored and willing a moment. That's why I'm here. Lana ke drinking is na yodwa. Ngiyasithanda isingisi. La. Ngiyasithanda isingisi. So nje yenye inkinga esinayo ngani la. Angazi kodwa nje ngiyayithanda English. Noma I don't know, man. Umuntu nje akwazi ukuthi it's nje Nick. Because you guys, we don't understand. Please speak English. Yeah, I guess I was so ready. Yes, I can even show you my outfit. I'm doing it ready on with Casey today. Ngizoshaya ama squats angakounteki. I just wanna, in the middle of gym yami. live restriction. You may be under 13. I was so bored. I didn't even want to read. I was like, there we go again. So into futhi social media ngapha ndifuna isingisi umuntu uzothi yajima nisho izinto ezinext. Okay, I don't have a problem with y'all saying weird things, like, of course ninjalo, that's what most people are. Abantu abaningi banjalo nje, they just pay attention to what they want to pay attention to, not what you're trying to show. So okay, sharp, I don't have a problem. Mara nina ni complicated. Nina, you see that toxic ex? But on this app, I want you feeling like, yeah, exactly. That's you guys. That's how you guys are. I'm so drained. Like, I'm drained. I need more. Like, I can do more squats. You see, today I have the energy, but now into being motivated, so I don't know whether I should just take myself for my videos and post them on story. I don't know. Unless I drained. Nani po toxic ex nang drainer. One thing about Instagram, people bazongena ku live yakho kodwa ukuthi bekhulume bazongena nje belalele bebuke beyithulele be-request ma-request enzima kabi ngakuma-request ukujoin i-live. Into yeni nje i-complicated. Into yeni angazi ukuthi ngikugela bawethu ngeke angazi ukuthi ngayithi into yeni, but niyatrainana shame nani. Yasabe uWhatsApp ngangifuna ukukhuluma ngawo, ngiyazi ebebhora nje emhlabeni, wonke umuntu engithetha naye uyangibhora. I'm just being honest, bruh. You are honest. I'm just being honest about how I feel. Not because I don't like going live on IG, but since you're shame Nina. It's toxic. Toxic people. On the good app layer, I want to work on TikTok. I've got toxic shame, but right. Inkinga i-app qolwayo, hayi shame bandla. Hayi uthini manje, uthini ngizwa lento mina. Just go with it. If it's, you will learn a thing or two. So nje, yeah, i-life injalo. Guys, bonke labantu aba-request athi ngo-6 ngababo bani, angibazi bonke. Crazy. Ngiyafuna ukujima, but not with you guys. I don't know whether I should end the live and continue with my gym, or I should gym with you guys and just minimize your comments. I don't know. I really don't know. And yazi ngempela sana. Hey masikana. Thank you. And yazi ngempela bandithini. peanut butter milkshake. Peanut butter milkshake. Dream with us. Ungabafaki lava. Ayizimfethu. Why are you beautiful? Thank you. Ngiyabonga. Please consider modeling. Guys, I can't model. I'm short. Like, I'm short. Dream with us. Have you ever been to the Caribbean? No. I wish. Ndream nani? Nina. Nina. That's a very tough decision to make. I wanna know you better. There's nothing better nje yilokho nje kubonayo nanokuthi ngineyinkinga kwezemali. Ufuna ukwenzani we-ahle kwayo? Ufuna ukwenza ntoni? You're perfect. Thank you. Can I get your numbers for WhatsApp? I don't know WhatsApp page. Hello. Not so thinking phone, but like, you get what I'm saying. Guys will say I understand, I think he understand. I think you feel like it's complicated. Ngizothi ngiyadreama lana nilokuthi uwambheke lona indlu injani buka nina